What's up guys, my name is Zach and welcome to the channel That AMG. I'm currently driving a 2017 C43 AMG. I started this channel just to document pretty much everything that goes with the car. Road trips, mods, POVs, reaction videos. I'm gonna try and install a dash cam for sure. That way I can get the interior going. But most importantly, I just want to be able to capture the feeling that this car brings, not only to me, but as you'll see in the channel, what excitement it brings to my friends. And I hope you guys stay tuned with it. A lot of people ask, why the C43? I personally chose the C43 unintentionally, actually. I wasn't even looking for an AMG when I first was looking for the car. I was just looking for any kind of sports car. Before this, I had just a Jeep Cherokee, nothing too special. I was wanting to get into something that's more flashy, more, what can you say, something that gets people's attention. And this car definitely does get some people's attention. Like I said, I didn't intentionally get a C43. That's just how it ended up being. But I personally don't have any complaints with the C43. It's a great car. Everything about it is amazing. Even for it just being a V6 twin turbo, the car is pretty fast, and put that thing in the Sport Plus, you'll get some speed going. Even then, for again just a V6 twin turbo, even on a stock exhaust, that car sounds pretty nice. And it still has the feeling of luxury. I guess you get that with any Mercedes, really. But even then, just look at the car. She's beautiful. And she's come a long way. I just hope you guys stay along with the ride. Well, anywhere my car goes, I'll be following, obviously. But I'll be trying to record everything I can. And do have a couple road trips coming up, so plan on taking the car, so be able to film some content then. But yeah, that's pretty much what my plans are. I intend to build the car more. I have some more mods I do wanna do and purchase, tune, downpipe. As of right now, performance-wise, the car is stock. Nothing really done to it besides cosmetics. I got the spoiler, the wheels were already on there. Diffuser, I did. The black tint, because this right here used to be chrome, so got that done. A lot of people hate, but carbon fiber M-style mirrors, I personally like them. Grill, front lip, window tint. But besides that, nothing too major or performance. But yeah. Anything that I said sounds good or sounds interesting to you, drop a like, drop a comment, subscribe, and let me know what you guys want to see with the car, or where it goes. Drop a comment where you're at and what kind of car you have. Peace.